Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY. And actually this DIY is this was supposed to be included in the last DIY, but I never finished this part. So basically it's the same concept with the last video where I add the Mod Podge and the glitter to these plates. And you actually want to do this part first before you glue the mirror down to the plate. This was also a part of another previous project that I started months ago that I never put a video out on. So that's why the plate was already glued. That's why the mirror was already glued down to the plate. But if you were to do this project, definitely do your Mod Podge and glitter before the mirror, because you don't want to have the excess glitter that gets trapped up under the mirror portion. So you want to shake off any excess and follow up with another layer of the Mod Podge to seal in that glitter. So basically that's what I'm doing here, and this is how it looks once it's all dry. So I'm also taking these ornaments from the Dollar Tree. These are the reindeer heads. It just looks like a deer head that you see mounted on the wall somewhere in someone's home or whatever. So I just took the little tag off, and I'm just going to use the Fix All and some hot glue and mount this deer onto the mirror. So I just use a generous amount of the Fix All, and I just spread it out. Try to spread it evenly as possible on the back side. And I also followed up with some hot glue so I can go ahead and get that instant stick. I don't know why I moved it where you guys can't see me using the hot glue, but that's all I was doing, was putting the hot glue, putting a layer of the hot glue. I did not spread it all over the back side, just a few drops so it can get an instant stick. So I placed the deer head close to the bottom, not necessarily at the very tip of the mirror, but it's not actually centered. You want to center it like from side to side, but it's not in the center of the mirror, so it's kind of placed a little bit lower, but you can place it in the center if you want to. You can actually place it up a little bit higher if you want to. If you want the antlers to kind of overhang on the top of the plate, you can do it that way as well. But I wanted mine to kind of be centered where the antlers and the neck of the deer will be kind of centered with the plate. So that's all. It's a very simple, easy to do DIY. And I'll go ahead and do the rest of these. I'm actually doing 3 in all, and just basically the same steps. Follow up with the the E6000 and then the hot glue, and just glue it down to the plate, and I will show you guys the finished result. So this is the finished look, and I just stuck these on this particular wall for now. This is not where they will ultimately end up being. So this is just to show you guys the finished look. So I like the way they turned out, and it's very simple and easy. Anyone can do this. You can do this with your kids if you want to have a project that your kids can do. So there you have it. There's another Christmas DIY, and so that's all, you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching, and thank you for your time. Thank you for all of my subscribers and all of those that support my channel. I love each and every one of you guys. You guys can share this video if you like to. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. And until next time, you guys, bye.